Welcome to this video on advancements in high-power density electric motor engineering. We will explore how engineers are building smaller, more powerful electric motors. High power density means achieving more power within a smaller package. Engineers are driven by the need for higher power output and, especially in aerospace, less motor weight. 4 technical pillars improve power density: optimizing thermal speed, selecting advanced materials, redesigning internal structures, and integrating digital sensors. Electric motors can exceed 20,000 RPM, which reduces the required torque but creates extreme thermal stress. Liquid cooling efficiently removes this excess heat, allowing for higher power levels. Advanced materials like Hiperco soft magnetic alloy replace standard electrical steel. These materials increase the air gap magnetic flux density, boosting power density by up to 30%. Traditional motors use radial flux. New designs utilize axial flux, which results in shorter physical lengths and provides higher torque density. This also allows for more efficient material usage. Structural redesigns include single stator and dual rotor designs. Concentrated windings increase the slot fill factor, and tightly packed wires improve magnetic coupling. Removing the stator yoke reduces weight and iron losses. Modern motors require real-time operational data. Surface acoustic wave, or SAWBO. Sensors are tiny real-time torque monitors that replace larger traditional sensors, optimizing overall performance. These individual systems work together. Advanced materials handle the electromagnetic load, liquid cooling manages the heat, structural designs reduce weight, and SAW sensors optimize performance. High power density transforms modern transportation. Smaller, lighter, and more efficient motors improve electric cars and enable urban air mobility, or UAM, and eVTOL aircraft, enhancing market economics and vehicle acceleration.